Welcome to my channel Good Mind Gyan. Today we are going to study ICSE Class 8 Chapter 3 Elements, Compounds and Mixture. Let us study the separation of ammonium chloride and common salt by using sublimation method. Now what is sublimation? Sublimation is a process in which a solid state directly goes into the gaseous state without going into the liquid state. So in this case, the mixture which we have taken is ammonium chloride and common salt. So we will be taking the mixture in a china dish, which is also called as an evaporating dish. And we will place an inverted funnel over it in such a way that one end is closed with a cotton plug. So now when we heat this with the help of a burner, you will find vapors of ammonium chloride which come and they settle on the inner side of the funnel. On cooling, you will find solidified ammonium chloride. You can always scrape this solidified ammonium chloride. It will be in the powdered form. Now, what will be left behind is nothing but sodium chloride, that is NaCl. In this way, we have separated both the salts. Ammonium chloride, solidified one, is on the inner side of the funnel, which can be scraped off later on cooling, whereas the salt, NaCl salt, remains in the china dish. Next process is sedimentation. This is a process in which you take a beaker and take water which contains insoluble impurities. Just leave it aside for a few hours. You will find that all the insoluble impurities will settle at the bottom and you will have clear water on the top. You can see this very well in this picture, where this part which has settled down is the sediment, that is the insoluble impurities, and the clear water is the supernatant liquid. So in this way we have separated the mixture. Next process is decantation. It is a continuation of sedimentation. So in the sedimentation process, we got a sediment which was at the base and we got the clear water which was at the top. You can see this in both the diagrams. This is a clear liquid and you have the sediment below. So you have to slowly pour the clear liquid into another beaker. So you got the clear water and you also got the sediment separated, right? So the process in which a suspension of insoluble fine particles suspended in a liquid are allowed to stand undisturbed such that the solid particles settle down, leaving the clear liquid above, is called sedimentation. The next, you can see here a diagram of separation by sedimentation and decantation. Since it's a continuous process, here you can see the process of sedimentation where you have sediment, clear liquid in this beaker. Now, here you can see that the sand, which was a sediment, settles at the bottom and the clear liquid is poured into another beaker. Okay, I hope you are clear with this now. Next process is evaporation, in which you will take a salt solution in a china dish or an evaporating dish and heat it on a wire gauze with the help of a Bunsen burner. After some time you will observe that there will be some vapors which will be given out and the salt will remain in the evaporating dish. So this process is evaporation. I hope you liked this video. If you have liked it, please share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.